Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for email prospecting. So to do that, first go to ChatGPT website and just type the prompt, can you help me with email prospecting, and it will give you a general idea of how to do that. So over here you can see some points, so you can follow these and write an amazing email. So for the next, I'm just going to ask it to write an email to prospect about a certain tool. So I'm just going to write here dog hair trimmer and then enter. So as you can see, it has written me a perfect email. So now you can just use this email, or you can just get an inspiration and write your own. So that is how you can use ChatGPT for email prospecting. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.